by now, you have heard calorie deficit and going to the gym more than enough, which means that's your only secret. That is it. That's all you need to get a six-pack. Eat less calories than you burn a day, therefore you burn fat, therefore abs start showing. That's it. So I'm not gonna reinvent that wheel. All I'm gonna do is show you easy steps that you can do on a daily basis to put that equation in play in your life to make sure you get a six-pack. Number one, I want you to cut out all sugary drinks. Cut them all out and replace it with water. Start here. I'm not telling you to go into an intense diet that you're gonna quit. No. Start here. Keep everything else equal. Do everything else just like you do. See, just start doing the math. Each can of soda or orange juice or whatever sugary drink you have is about 160 calories. Let's say you have 3 of those a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Most of you will have more than that, but let's just say 3. That's about 480 calories a day. Multiply that by 7. That's 3,360 calories a week. Each pound of fat loss is 3,600 calories, which means a week you'll be shedding off about a pound of fat just by cutting off sugary drinks. Number 2, implement more active movement. See, again, I don't want you to just dive head deep to the gym, spend 2 hours on there, and I'm telling you to go every day. Yeah, that would be ideal. However, most of you would quit after the first week. I want you to start slow. So implement active movement. So for example, challenge yourself. Next time you go to the store or force yourself, park the furthest you can and walk. If you work in an office building, take the stairs up and down every time. Go for more walks, go on more bike rides, enjoy the scenery, get some vitamin D. Buy a standing desk as you work, and if you can, go to the gym. All these little changes compounded will increase your caloric burn rate during the day. Now, it won't be life-changing, but it will have a small impact in your caloric burn and a huge step forward in having a more active lifestyle. Number 3, eat balanced. It surprises me that so many men and people in general, when they eat, their stuff looks neutral. Their color palette on their plate looks like Kim Kardashian's house. Yo, you have no color on that plate. The easiest way to know without measuring, without all the intricacies, to know if you're having a balanced meal is to make sure you have color. You want to have some greenery, some orange stuff. You want to have different colors and not just rice and some sort of meat. Have colors on your plate. Now I know a lot of you might hate vegetables and fruits, or a lot of you just might be too lazy to add that to your plate. This is where supplementation kicks in. See, your body needs those vitamins and minerals to perform at an optimal natural state. And to do so, a daily vitamin is going to be crucial if you're not getting that from your diet. This is why I love Ritual. Ritual is your new type of two-a-days. It helps support heart health, normal muscle function, normal immune function, and this tiny step daily can have a huge impact on your health. Look at it this way. Over 70% of men aren't getting enough vitamin E every day. Over 97% aren't getting enough vitamin D every day. Well, Ritual, the capsule, contains 10 high-quality nutrients that are very difficult to get on a daily basis, and now you can just simply consume as a supplement. And what I love about Ritual is that their ingredients are on display. They're completely transparent. You'll see exactly what ingredients are in each capsule and where each ingredient is sourced from to make sure you're getting the best of the best. You can get Ritual on a subscription basis, which means they'll deliver to your door every time you need it, so you don't have to be worrying about placing that order or going out and buying your supplements. It gets delivered to your door, so your supplementation is always on point. Right now, Ritual is offering our followers 20% off for your first month, which is an absolute steal if you guys need a good supplement and want one that has a great taste and will make sure you get the nutrients that you need daily. I suggest you guys check out Ritual. I'm going to have Ritual linked down below, or you can go to ritual.com/TMF20, click that link down below, and get that 20% off offer for your first month. If you guys want to check it out, again, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, work out at home. I, along with many other YouTubers, have a bunch of at-home ab workouts that you can do at home with no equipment, no weights, and many of these workouts are only about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's not a huge time investment on your part. And that's great, because the excuse that about 80% of men have when it comes to working out is, I don't have enough time. But everybody has 5 to 10 minutes to spare in their day. And finally, number 5, once you get to this stage, you're already starting to get a pro. Now you feel comfortable, you've built up those healthy habits. Now I want you to start lifting weight. This is like level 10, end game. This is your final stage. See, working out just your abs, this is great for building up your core, which is what you clicked on this video. But what you gotta understand is that there are more efficient ways where you can work out other muscle groups, including your core, and build up some of that strength. Those are compound movements. These are crucial movements that I recommend everybody to do, that if you're comfortable with, which include your squat, your deadlift, etc., you're not only going to be targeting your core, and your core is going to start building up strength, you're also going to be targeting other muscle groups, therefore giving you a more efficient training schedule. And now you're probably looking like a Greek god, bro. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Ritual. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.